Hello everyone, how are you doing? Yeah. I'm currently a master's student at MIT. It's such a long day, but today I'm so excited to introduce the product we built today. I'm currently a master's student at MIT. And
yeah, I'm Dave Krishnan, and I am from Chicago. I'm visiting here with family, and I'm just so glad to work with such a remarkable individual.
Yeah, for sure. So let's start with the QR code. We want to show you, not only tell you, we already bought the domain today, and we got all our service already online. So I'm going to invite you to scan this QR code.
Yeah, this is live right now. Anyone can access this, and we're just so proud that this is not something that is local. It's not local host. This is something that you can access right now. And if you're too lazy to even scan the QR code, it may be even easier just type in Kainos.ai into your browser, because we're just so proud to have this live for you guys.
Yeah. So what's Kainos basically? So it's a autonomous pricing engine for the small and medium enterprise. Why we are building this kind of product? Because we start with a problem. Before MIT, I worked in data industry for almost 7 years. Most of my time I just spent with the retailers and also small and medium companies. They got so many data, but they don't have time and also money to build a data team to help them to analyze the data, get a better pricing strategy. So we just found one, there cannot be an affordable service for them, can help them collect data and also analyze the data automatically. Not only give you an insight, but also give you a real business result. Based on my experiences, I think in data industries, there are 4 different stages. I call it 4 ones framework. First, I call one data. We need to collect the data with a unified way. Second, one analysis. Third is one insight. You need to get some insight from your data. And finally is one action. Most of the data platforms, they only reach in the second stage, can help you analyze something. But some of them maybe can help you get some insights. But what we build is build a real business result for you. So basically, when we are building a pricing strategy, we can give you an optimal price for you, and also see what kind of profit you can get from this kind of new price. And if you click confirm, we can even link with your Shopify store. So it's going to change the price automatically. And now I can do a live demo. You can also make the task as a one-time task or schedule it every single morning to help you research all the data you have and also all your competitors' data and also the industry's new trend here. Maybe the new reviews of your customers. So based on all the information in the morning, they can just adjust the price automatically. You don't need to spend millions of dollars to build a team for data, or you don't even to hire a consultant for marketing or something. You don't need. All you need is Kainos. So basically, how to use our product? I can show you one result first. This is a data report I just input a Shanbird, which is a restaurant I went around MIT for more than 10 times, and also the steak in the Shanbird. How to adjust the price? The original price is $31. So Kainos give me you should change the price to 34, and you can increase the revenue for 2%, your profit for 4.5%. But why is doing this kind of decision? So here is for the first part is your price positioning compared to the different restaurants in this location. What's your competitive advantage? And also here's our overall strategy here, and give you a specific action plan. And then we got a chart to tell you what's the price. When you set different price, what's your revenue and what's your profit, what's the result here. And when you set a 34.72, going to be the optimal price for the steak in Shanbird. And we also analyze the market demand. So it's not only by your personnel, but also by the big trend of the market. And then you can also input a location here. And, for the restaurant or other small companies, what truly matters is not only about your product, and also about your location. So because it's near MIT, here's all the other similar restaurants around MIT to compare with their price. How can you win the customers to go to your restaurant? And also we see all the reviews of your whole history and also year to date to summarize for you and also to tell you why they are buying your product and what matters most, and also their typical budget for that. And then we got some business data for here to show you. And yeah, you can also upload some internal files and some internal data. So I'm gonna show you. First step is that like you can choose online or in person. So maybe you are just selling online, you don't need in person. So let's take in person for example, and then click continue. You can just post, maybe upload your link of your website here, or maybe for me I can just have maybe Shinebird.
And make sure to be pretty specific when you're doing it. You
Yeah.
really want to make sure that you're talking about the right thing, because names could be similar, and other things could be similar. You want to really give it, again, it's kind of common sense, but the more you give it, the better the response you will get.
Yeah. And when you input the location, you don't need to be so specific. You can just maybe enter MIT or some.
More or less about the
here.
name itself
Yeah.
of the place.
Yeah. And then they continue, and you can choose run once or maybe monitor it like every day. And then you can upload some internal data. I prepared some data here for the state. And then run analysis. And it got radio data, analyze the market, and also all the customers' feedback, and to generate a report for you. And you can link your Shopify store here. And if you confirm, we can just build a real revenue for you. So that's what I believe is the future. Data, what we need is not visualization. It's not a data report. What we need is business report. So when you choose Keynote, what you choose is not only about data, it's about the future of your business.
Thank you so much. Really nice pitch.
Maybe one question during Chris set up. Chris, please come up front and present. It is.
Remember to scan the QR code here to just enjoy our service.
It's all real. Please try it out for yourself. We're not lying.
If you got some friends who are operating small, medium companies, recommend our website to them. Thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe you can reach out to SBA, Small Business Association.
Sure, absolutely.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.